What if a popular skincare trick could actually do more harm than good? Many people try simple DIY mixtures at home, hoping for faster results. But not everything that seems natural is safe for your skin. In this video, we'll explore a common skincare mistake, why it may not work the way people expect, and what actually supports healthier skin over time. Stay until the end to learn simple, safe habits that make a real difference. In recent years, DIY skincare has become extremely popular. People are looking for simple solutions, affordable options, and quick results. Social media is full of easy tricks. Mix this with that, apply it overnight, wake up with better skin. It sounds appealing, it feels accessible, and most importantly, it promises fast improvement. But here's the reality. Your skin is more complex than it looks. It's not just a surface, it's a living system, with its own balance, its own protection, and its own needs. One of the most important parts of your skin is the skin barrier. This barrier acts like a shield. It helps retain moisture, it protects against irritation, and it keeps your skin stable. When this barrier is healthy, your skin feels smooth, comfortable, balanced. But when it's disrupted, problems can appear. Dryness, sensitivity, redness, and sometimes even breakouts. Now let's talk about DIY mixtures. Many people combine skincare products with household ingredients. It seems harmless. But these ingredients are not always designed for skin. They may be too strong, too harsh, or simply incompatible with your skin's natural balance. And this is where the risk begins. Because instead of helping your skin, you may stress it, without realizing it. Another important point is expectations. Many DIY trends promise fast results, but skin doesn't work that way. Real improvement takes time, consistency, and the right approach, not shortcuts. Now think about it this way. If something claims to dramatically change your skin overnight, it's worth questioning, because your skin prefers stability, gentle care, and gradual support, not sudden changes. Another issue is lack of personalization. Every skin type is different. What works for one person may not work for another. And DIY solutions often ignore that. They treat everyone the same, but your skin has unique needs. So applying random combinations, without understanding your skin, can lead to unexpected results. Now here's the key idea. Just because something is natural doesn't mean it's suitable for your skin. And just because something is popular doesn't mean it's effective. Your skin responds best to gentle care, consistent routine, balanced products, not extreme or improvised solutions. In the next chapter, we'll take a closer look at a common combination people try and why it may not work the way they expect. Now let's talk about a common trend. Mixing everyday household ingredients with skincare products. It sounds simple, it feels practical, and many people believe it can boost results. One example often mentioned is combining a moisturizer like Nivea with ingredients such as baking soda. At first it may seem harmless. Both are easy to find, both are widely used, so people assume the combination must be safe. But here's where things get complicated. Your skin is not designed to handle random mixtures. Every skincare product is carefully formulated. It's created with a specific balance, a specific purpose. And when you change that formula, you change how it behaves on your skin. Now let's talk about baking soda. Baking soda has a very high pH level. Your skin, on the other hand, naturally has a slightly acidic pH. This acidity is important. It helps protect your skin. It supports the barrier, and it keeps your system balanced. When you apply something with a high pH, like baking soda, you can disrupt that balance. And when that happens, your skin may react, not always immediately, but over time. You might notice dryness, tightness, sensitivity, irritation, and in some cases, it can make your skin more vulnerable. Now let's go back to the moisturizer. Products like Nivea are designed to hydrate and protect. They help support the skin barrier. They lock in moisture. But when you mix them with something harsh, you may reduce their effectiveness or even cancel their benefits. So instead of helping your skin, you create imbalance. Another important point is frequency. Some people try these mixtures regularly, thinking it will improve results faster, but repeated disruption of the skin barrier can lead to long-term sensitivity. And once the skin becomes sensitive, it's harder to restore balance. Now here's the key idea. Skincare is not about combining random ingredients. It's about supporting your skin's natural function, with products that are designed to work together, not against each other. And most importantly, it's about patience, because your skin needs time, consistency, and gentle care, not aggressive shortcuts. In the next chapter, we'll explore what actually helps support your skin over time, using simple, safe, and effective habits. Now that we've talked about what to avoid, let's focus on what actually works. Because healthy skin doesn't come from quick fixes, it comes from simple, consistent habits. Not complicated routines, not aggressive treatments, just the right approach, done regularly. 1. Gentle cleansing. The first step is simple. Clean your skin without overdoing it. Your skin doesn't need harsh products, it needs balance. Using a gentle cleanser helps remove dirt and oil without stripping your natural barrier. When you over-clean, your skin can become dry and sensitive, so keep it simple. Clean, but not aggressively. 2. Proper moisturizing. Hydration is essential. A good moisturizer helps retain water, protect the skin barrier, keep your skin comfortable. Products like Nivea are designed to support hydration, but consistency matters more than the brand itself. Using it regularly is more effective than changing products constantly. 3. Daily sun protection. This is one of the most important habits, and often the most ignored. Sun exposure affects skin over time, even when you don't notice it. Using sunscreen regularly can help. Protect your skin, maintain its appearance, support long-term health. It's not about fear, it's about protection. 4. Balanced nutrition. Your skin reflects what happens inside your body, so what you eat matters. Focus on whole foods, fruits and vegetables, balanced meals. Because your body uses nutrients to support skin health. No cream can replace that. 5. Sleep and recovery. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep. If your sleep is poor, recovery is affected. So improving sleep quality helps your skin naturally. Simple habits like consistent sleep time, reducing screen exposure, relaxing before bed, can make a difference over time. 6. Avoid overcomplication. This is where many people go wrong. They try too many products, too many techniques, too many tricks, and this creates stress for the skin. Instead, keep your routine simple. Stay consistent. Observe how your skin reacts, because your skin prefers stability. Key idea: healthy skin is not built overnight, it's built over time, through small actions, repeated daily. Not extreme solutions, not DIY experiments, but simple, safe habits that support your skin naturally. In the final chapter, we'll bring everything together and show how a consistent routine can help you maintain healthier skin over the long term, without unnecessary risks. Now let's bring everything together, because at this point one thing should be clear. Healthy skin is not about quick tricks. It's about consistency, balance, and simplicity. 1. Keep your routine simple. You don't need 10 different products. You don't need complicated steps. A basic routine is often enough. Cleanse, moisturize, protect. That's it. When you keep things simple, your skin stays more stable, and it becomes easier to maintain over time. 2. Support your skin barrier. Your skin barrier is your protection. When it's healthy, skin feels comfortable, hydration is maintained, sensitivity is reduced. But when it's damaged, problems appear. That's why gentle care matters. Avoid harsh mixtures, avoid aggressive treatments, and focus on supporting your skin, not stressing it. 3. Use products as intended. Skincare products are designed to work in a specific way. When you mix them randomly with household ingredients, you change their function, and that can reduce their effectiveness or create imbalance. So instead, use products as they are designed, follow simple instructions, stay consistent. This approach is safer and more effective. 4. Give your skin time. This is one of the most important points. Your skin doesn't change overnight. Real improvement takes time, days, weeks, sometimes longer, and that's normal. So instead of looking for instant results, focus on steady progress, because slow and consistent is more reliable. 5. Listen to your skin. Your skin gives feedback. You just need to notice it. If something feels uncomfortable, if irritation appears, if your skin becomes sensitive, that's a signal. So adjust your routine, simplify, and return to basics. 6. Avoid risky trends. Not every popular trend is safe, not every hack works, and not every viral tip is reliable. So be selective. Choose habits that are simple, safe, consistent, because your skin benefits more from stability than from experimentation. Final message. You don't need extreme solutions. You don't need risky mixtures. You don't need shortcuts. What you need is a simple routine, gentle care, consistency over time. That's what truly supports your skin. Final outro. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Smart Health Tips for more simple and realistic skincare advice. Like the video, share your experience in the comments, and send this to someone who might benefit from this. Take care of your skin by keeping it simple and safe.